In today's video, I'll teach you how to free up space on Android. So if you want to free up the space, what you have to do is use the inbuilt feature of the Android. For that, open settings on your device. Now find the option for storage and tap on it. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find this option for free up space. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the cleanup interface. You'll be able to clean the unnecessary data over here. You can see over here it will scan the data that you no longer need. So what you have to do is tap on this option clean. Now you can see over here certain data will be cleared. Also you can see the cleanup suggestions over here. Also if you scroll down you'll be able to find the option for deep cleanup. You can see the options like photos, videos, apps, APKs, etc. So what you can do is simply tap on the option of your choice. For example, I'm going to select this option for photos. Now it will suggest the photos that can be cleaned. Now tap on the photos that you would like to delete, or you can also select all the photos. Tap on this option, select all that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option delete that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the option delete all. Enter your PIN in order to continue. Now after you do that, the photos will be deleted. Likewise, you can delete other contents too. For example, you can also delete the audio by tapping on this option audio. Now it will suggest the audio that you can delete. You can simply select all, or you can also select individually and tap on the option delete. Now follow through the prompts and it will be deleted. Now you can delete the data of videos, apps, documents, etc. After you do that, your storage will be freed up. Likewise, in order to free up more storage, you can also delete the applications. So in order to delete the apps, what you can do is simply open the app library of your device. Find the application that you do not use anymore and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now tap on the option uninstall that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option OK. Now the application will be uninstalled. Now if you see your storage, you'll be able to see that your storage will be freed. So like this, you'll be able to free up the space. So that is how you free up space on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.